Hi everyone, how are you doing today? So this is another customized t-shirt. Happy St. Patrick Day. And this is a cotton jersey or jersey cotton. It is also customized and it is very good to as a souvenir or a gift. This is also available all sizes from small up to 4 times XL. Thank you so much guys for watching all my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here so that you will be updated for my family vlogs. I am also an entrepreneur and a family blogger and an author and a writer. So here I am. Please don't forget also to check my Etsy store. Thank you so much.